If you look straight down into a swimming pool, the bottom looks closer than it is. That's apparent depth, but here's the trick everyone misses. Now, what if the observer is inside the water, say a fish, looking out at an object in the air, like a bird flying above? The rays now bend towards the normal as they enter the water. This causes the object in the rarer medium, the bird, to appear farther away than it really is. It's the exact opposite of what you expect. The formula flips. The object's apparent height is now a apparent h real. So for the fish, the bird appears much higher than its actual height. The depth effect reverses based on the observer's location. I put all 15 top proofs into a verified guide.